Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Navigator L. The Lincoln Navigator L comes in either an RWD or AWD options. This large luxury SUV offers a longer wheelbase than the standard Navigator. With the extra length, carrying a large group in extreme comfort or loads of cargo is no problem at all and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.